Wanted to do a quick spur of the moment video on a topic that I haven't really given too much consideration until recently, and only because I was watching some recent commentary on the gold market, which made me curious, but the topic was actually I'll just get to the point. It was about a gold reset. And, I haven't really considered that possibility quite as much. I mean, you hear it thrown around, and it always kind of seemed like that was in the future. I think as metal investors, gold bugs, silver bugs, you know, we want to go back to a sound money system. We don't think that the current monetary system is at all sustainable, but it always seemed like we're kicking the can down the road. It just kind of seems like it could just keep going on forever. I mean, silver, $15. Uh, doesn't seem like there's going to be a monetary reset tomorrow. But what I was watching was actually Andrew Maguire, and of course he's made some predictions, like everybody else in the field, that haven't, panned out exactly as one might have hoped. But he was pretty adamant on Arcadia Economics. I think yesterday and today they had a couple videos from him talking about a gold reset or a revaluation, and that's kind of scary because I've always assumed that during the bull run these markets will slowly climb a wall of worry. And I guess that's partly what the video is about. It's about worry on, do we have enough metal for insurance? And, what's a worst case scenario? And I don't know how to see it. I feel like, I guess I'm just curious, what is he talking about with a gold revaluation? I mean, do the powers that be, the banks, do they really have the capability to, make an overnight fix from, say, $2,000, $100 an ounce or wherever gold spot is, and then just double it or triple it overnight? Like, what are the repercussions? And it would really be a wrench in the wheel of your precious metal plans because we're accumulators. And if gold's revalued, if they double or triple it overnight, you're kind of shut out of the market at that point. And, this is why we have it. Worst case scenario, you get some kind of raging hyperinflation, and, you only own what you can hold. But, yeah, it's kind of scary. I guess it kind of touches on FOMO because we're at all-time record price highs in the metals, and I'm having trouble resisting the urge to buy more because it's so easy to get swept up in all the emotions, the joy in the market, the fear of missing out, and it's a tough call. I mean, should you be putting large amounts of cash into the market because maybe there will be a gold reset? I mean, you'd be happy if you did. If you're even buying gold at $2,000 an ounce and there's a monetary reset overnight, I mean, you're probably going to be better off, or you're going to be appreciative of what you had already stacked. So, yeah, that's partly it. What do you guys think? Could there possibly be a monetary reset? And how does that interplay with the current bull market and the wall of worry? Maybe this video about worry, maybe that's all related. It's just normal with the bull market, but the whole monetary reset, I don't know. That's really what I'm curious. What do you guys think about that? What would it take? Is it force majeure, failure of delivery on the COMEX or the LBMA? Can we see how far down the road is? Could that be in a month or two? who would have expected a complete revaluation of the gold price? Is it a likelihood? And if it is a likelihood, should you be almost ramping up your acquisitions and purchase, even though we're already at record all-time highs? Because part of me thinks that's incredibly dangerous to be pouring large amounts of your liquidity and assets at record highs. But if there's a monetary reset, that just changes everything. So a little bit of worry. Please tell me what you guys think about that down in the comments below, and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll be trying to make more recent or make videos more often on the channel. I guess we'll take a look at some of these gold coins before we go. And part of the reason I'm worried, I'm trying to get gold sovereigns, and if they double the price of gold, that's not going to help. And my ultimate plan, as I said in my last video, I want to swap the silver that I have for gold. But if there's a price explosion, right, in the market, well, is that gold going to be available, or am I just going to be stuck with whatever silver that we have already? It's a big question. So, all right, I'll let it go there, and hope everybody has a great day. And hopefully these markets just kind of stabilize, and we're not going to be fretting too much. All right, take care.